Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to tweak your RSI indicator in TradingView but weren't sure where everything is, you're definitely in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of customizing your RSI settings on TradingView so you can fine-tune your charts and get the most relevant signals for your trading strategy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to navigate the platform and tailor your RSI indicator just the way you want it. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to TradingView. So open up your favorite web browser and either type in TradingView.com or click your saved bookmark if you have one. Super simple. TradingView is where the magic happens for all things charts and indicators, and it's a tool millions of traders use worldwide. If you're not already logged in, now's a good time to do so because you'll need to be signed in to access and save your own indicator settings. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the menu across the top. You'll see several options there, but we're looking for something labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This menu is essentially TradingView's way of organizing all their tools and features, sort of like a well-stocked toolbox where all your useful gadgets live. If you ever get overwhelmed by choices, just remember that Products is your entry point to all the goodies. Next, we're going to zero in on the RSI, that stands for Relative Strength Index. It's a super popular indicator among traders for spotting potential reversals in overbought or oversold conditions. To find it, either scroll through the list of available indicators or just use the search bar and type in RSI. Once you spot it in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. But wait, we're not done. You'll notice a small gear icon appears next to the indicator's name once it's on your chart. That gear icon is your gateway to customization. If you've ever felt like the default RSI settings don't quite fit your trading style, this is where you get to make it your own. Go ahead and click that gear icon. A settings panel will pop up in here, where you can adjust all sorts of details. For example, you can modify the RSI length, the source data like closing or opening prices, and even the colors and line thickness to make it more readable. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. If you're a swing trader, you might want a longer period RSI. Day traders might prefer a shorter one for snappier signals. Think of this step a bit like tuning a musical instrument. A small change here or there can really help your setup sound, or in this case, look just right. Take your time on this part. Switching settings back and forth is really easy, and you can always reset things if you aren't happy with the results. Once you've dialed in your preferred settings, simply click OK at the bottom of the panel to apply your changes. Give it a moment. Sometimes TradingView just takes a second to refresh. You should see your newly adjusted RSI now live on your chart, reflecting the changes you made, and that's really all there is to it. So as you can see, changing your RSI settings in TradingView is quick, straightforward, and best of all, totally customizable to suit your own trading style. If you ran into any snags along the way, or if you have extra questions about RSI or other indicators, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on making the most out of TradingView and leveling up your trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.